Good morning. So today I'm going to show you my pink computer, which I barely used because we're saving energy here these days. First of all, I'm going to introduce to you my pink chassis, which I bought a couple of months ago. I actually built it myself. I found it online and I was so in love with it. So I sold my old chassis, which was Dark Flash DLM 22 Luxury Pink, to get this one. So it looks like a boombox speaker, and it's got a massive fan on the side, which you can just change the lighting by clicking on this button right here. And then my motherboard here is an ASRock Steel Legend in limited edition pink, which is only available here in Asia. I sold my old motherboard to get this one because I wanted to have a pink motherboard. And then my CPU cooler is an ID Pink Flow. So I'm a little disappointed with my RAMs, but I love them nevertheless because they're the best RAMs. But the reason why I don't like them that much, because they leave fingerprints that are totally difficult to remove, no matter how hard and how much I try to wipe them and clean them. But that's okay. It doesn't look obvious from here on the outside, but when I have the money, I want to replace them with pink RAMs. I want to have the OCPC Extreme Pink ones. So my RGB SSD is a Delta T-Force brand, which I'm a big fan of. I just love it so much. It's only like 240 or 250 gigabyte, but I have two other hard drives on the bottom, which are from my old computers. And then this is my Isaac Jacobs neon light in pink, which says love, because you know I need love. And then my Kate Spade New York mouse pad. It says do not disturb. So most of my accessories here are from Razer. This is my Razer Basilisk mouse. I still have the Razer old Razer mouse, which is also pink. And then this is my Orico USB hub, and that's me and a tiny little pink frame. And then my pink thermos right here, which looks like an ice cream, and it's so cute. I haven't used it yet, so I really want to replace this webcam, although I'm not using this webcam at all. I don't really use this webcam. I've only tried and tested it, but I want to replace it with a pink one because I found a pink webcam on Amazon. So I don't know why I bought it, but anyway, I just wanted to complete my build, so I bought it. And as you can see, these are my cute and funky desktop icons, as well as my cute mouse cursor, which says "Kiss Me." So I've been saving these. I've been collecting these desktop icons since 2007. So every time we have a computer, I always customize my, the appearance of my computer, because I want to make it, I just want it to look totally pink. So, and this is my MSI curved monitor, although I've been wanting to have a pink one, because I found I saw like there's I saw like a pink monitor online, which is a different brand. It's an AOC pink. So when I have the money, I'm definitely going to replace this one. And this is my old keyboard here. It's well, all of my most of my accessories here are from Razer. And this is my Razer Black Widow tournament keyboard, which I just recently replaced the keycaps. I've recently replaced the keycaps. So these are PBT keycaps, and because the original ones were made of ABS plastic. And then I decorated the cover with stickers. And then that's my ultimate favorite manga character. He's from Yu Yu Hakusho. So his name is Yoko Kurama. I've always loved him since I was in grade school. So it's a noodle topper, and it fits perfectly onto my Jelly Belly scented candle. And then that's my RGB Kitty Kraken headset. So most of the most of the things that I have here are from Razer, actually. And this is my Sonic Gear Aquarius speaker, which I am going to show you because it's got water on the inside. So if I'm gonna play a music, it's gonna look like a fountain. Anyway, and this is my computer chair. I don't really have a pink computer chair here, but it's definitely a good one, and it's made of rattan or rattan. I don't know how to say it. So it's quite sturdy, and this is my H&M cushion for my back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's on the side of my computer. So this is my RGB power supply, which I have been wanting to replace, but you know, with something like Corsair or Superflower. So when I have the money, I will definitely replace it. And everything here is pink. Even my HDMI cable is pink. So yeah, I am addicted and obsessed with pink. I just love my desktop icons. And some of the characters are from Looney Tunes because I'm a big fan of Looney Tunes. I've seen Space Jam and New Legacy recently, but I think I love the first one, the first movie. So anyway, before I'm going to end this, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope you stay safe amidst this COVID pandemic. And if any of you are willing to help me replace this webcam with the pink one. Thank you so much. Also, I've been really saving money to replace this monitor with a pink one because I just want everything to be pink. Anyway, not going to waste more energy, more electricity here at home, so I'm going to turn my computer off and I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao.